Make money with ChatGPT. Do you want to earn money online using ChatGPT but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways beginners are making money with ChatGPT. No coding skills needed, and anyone can start today. Let's get started. First method is freelance writing. You can use ChatGPT to create blog posts, articles, or website content. Then sell it on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Beginners can earn $50 per article, depending on length and quality. YouTube scripts and automation. ChatGPT can write full scripts for faceless YouTube channels. You just need to convert the script into voice and add clips. Many creators are earning $500 to $2,000 per month this way. Third method is social media content creation. ChatGPT can generate captions, posts, or ideas for Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Businesses pay $50 to $200 per month for regular content. Fourth method is using ChatGPT to create courses or guides. You can write ebooks, PDF guides, or online courses with ChatGPT. Then sell them on Gumroad, Teachable, or Fiverr. Fifth method is building AI chatbots for businesses. You can use ChatGPT to automate customer service or lead generation. Many small businesses pay $50 to $500 per month for a working chatbot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. For more videos on AI tools, passive income ideas, and online earning strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.